everyone, welcome to Cook Eat Wonder. I hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to make street style kalan recipe, which is nothing but a mushroom chaat. This dish is quite popular in street shops of Coimbatore in South India. So let's get started, but before that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let me first walk you through the ingredients. We need 200 grams of mushroom chopped into small pieces, 200 grams of cabbage chopped, 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 strand of curry leaf, tomato sauce, soya sauce, salt, garam masala, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Half a cup of cornstarch. To prepare this, take 1 tablespoon of corn flour in a bowl, add half a cup of water. Now mix well. Our cornstarch is ready. Half a lemon. Take a large bowl. Now add in the chopped mushroom. Also add in the chopped cabbage. Add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour. Add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder about 2 teaspoon. Here I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. In case if you use normal red chili powder, add only 1 teaspoon. Now using clean hands, combine everything together. Mushroom and cabbage is going to release a lot of juice. That juice would be sufficient to bind them. We don't have to use any additional water to bind this mixture. The juices released out of mushroom and cabbage should be sufficient to bind them. Just press them nicely between your palms so that you can help them release their juices. Combine well. So as you can see, the mushroom and cabbage has released a lot of juice, and that juice was sufficient for me to bind this mixture. This is the consistency we were looking for. At this point you can check salt and spices and add more if required. So our mixture is ready. Let's get to the next process. Heat up some oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, we'll add in medium-sized portion of mushroom and cabbage mixture. You don't have to go for any particular shape. Let them fry undisturbed until they turn golden brown. Our mushroom and cabbage fry has turned golden brown. Let's take them out on a paper towel. Similarly, let's fry the remaining mushroom and cabbage mixture. So our fried mushroom is here. Now allow it to rest for 5 minutes and fry them once again. Increase the flame of the oil to high. Drop in the fried mushroom. We are doing this to make them extra crispy. Just fry them for few seconds. So we are done with our double frying. Take them out on a paper towel. So our crispy mushroom and cabbage is ready. Let's get to the next step. Heat up a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, Saute them for few seconds. Now add in the curry leaves. Saute them for a minute. Add in 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onion until they turn soft. So the onions have turned soft. Now we'll add in some red chili powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of it. Also add in some salt. Do not add too much salt because we are going to add sauces to this. Saute for a minute. Now we'll add in the sauces. Reduce the flame to low. Start with 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Also add in some soya sauce. About 1 teaspoon of it. Mix everything well. Cook the sauces for a minute. Now add in 1 cup of water. Mix well. We need to allow this water to come to a boil. So this has come to a boil. Now add in the cornstarch that we prepared earlier. Give it a quick mix before adding. Mix well and let it boil for a minute. So that's done. Now we'll add in our fried mushroom and cabbage. Mix everything well. Also slightly mash them. So our street style kalan or mushroom chaat is almost ready. Just cook them for a minute more. So that's done. Now switch off the flame and transfer them into a serving plate. Garnish with some shredded cabbage and chopped onion. Also squeeze half a lemon on top. So our street style kalan or mushroom chaat is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let me know how they turned out. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Take care. Thanks for watching.